Oh, here we go. Beautiful weather in Benidorm. Absolutely teeming down. It's lashing it down. Well, we've been waiting for this. They said it was going to come. They said it was going to come yesterday. Don't know how long it's on for, but that sky doesn't look very promising. It's ironic because this is Benidorm and it's supposed to be really sunny at home. Put down the comments down below. Is it sunny back at home? Because this is the weather in Benidorm. As I said, you're probably having better weather back at home. It's been like this for about an hour now, so been on and off, but this is the heaviest it's got. They did say it was coming today. Let me know. Put down the comments down below. Is it like this back in the UK? I don't think so. See you later. And bye for now.